Hello students, we are in chapter number 6, charts in MS Excel 2010. We all know that this MS Excel 2010 is used to represent information in the form of numerical data. Okay, this kind of representation is called charts or graphs. So the graphical and numeric representation can be held out in this MS Excel sheet with the form of charts and graphs. Here are some examples. The vertical shells out things are called column chart, and the horizontal layout things are called bar charts, and the circular variant links are called pie chart. Then our first topic is component of a chart. The main component of a chart include plot area, value axis, category axis, data points, chart area and legend. Okay, as you can see, we all have been very familiar with the term origin. The intersection of y-axis and x-axis is called origin. The vertical line refers to y-axis and the horizontal line gives out to the x-axis. Okay, and below to the y-axis there is negative y-axis, and opposite to the x there is negative x-axis in the sheet. Now we are going to discuss about type of charts. The very first thing is column chart. A column chart is used either to display data changes or to compare different items. You can see the example here. Second one is pie chart. Pie chart displays data in a comparative manner. It includes the size of things that make up the data series to sum up items. Okay, pie charts are used just to compare the relational data. Okay, then third one is called bar chart. A bar chart displays the comparison along individual items. You can see for the individual items. Then it is called line chart. A line chart displays changing trends in data at equal intervals. It represents data in the form of different lines which vary at equal intervals. Here is the example. Then the other chart examples include surface, Dodge-Nut, bubble and radar charts. Area charts displays the changes in values over a period or category. Okay. Scatter chart, it displays pair of values in a scatter form. Then next topic is called subtype charts. The things what we have discussed here, that is called bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, line chart, other chart, pie chart, column chart. Here are its subtypes. For column, 2D column, 3D column, cylinder, cone, pyramid. Then for pie, 2D, 3D, line, 2D line, 3D line. Then Scott, surface, Dodge-Nut, bubble, radar. Then for the area, 2D area, 3D area. Then for scatter, 2D bar, 3D bar, cylinder, cone, pyramid. So these all are the subtype of charts. Then the very first method to create a chart. Okay, Alt plus F5 or F11 key helps us to create a chart very easily in a shortcut manner. Then the step 2 is select the cell from the tab, then click on the insert tab. After that we have to click on chart group, then we have to select from the subtypes. Like this it will appear. You can also change the design by clicking on change chart type, and you can select the design tabs from any of the drop down list and click on OK button. Changing the chart style. The very first step is double click on the chart, the design tab appears, it displays chart tool. Second step, click on more button from the chart style group. Then the third step, click on the desired style from the gallery that appears. Automatically the result will show up. Then resizing and moving a chart. To resize or to move, we can drag it from the corner and handle with the help of our mouse in any kind of direction. Then the last topic is called printing a chart. Step 1, select the chart that to be printed. Click on the file tab, click on the print option, then click on the OK button. Students, thoroughly I have explained you. Now I will show you its steps. I have gone to the start button. Here is my Microsoft Office 2007 version, and we are dealing with 2010 version in our book. This is my first sheet. Okay, as you can see, with Alt 1, the very first section have been appeared, or with insert, in the insert option you can see column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, other charts. So with each and everything you can see its subtype: 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone, pyramid, then the lines, then the pie, 2D, 3D, then the bar style, cylinder, cone, pyramid, then the area style, then the scatter point. In other charts you can see radar, bubble, Dodge surface, store. Here all chart types. Here if you click on this, you will get to know about all the chart types which are available in your Excel sheet. Once you have selected this and click on the OK button, automatically it will appear in your screen. It is taking time to load here. This is called chart area. Okay. Suppose it has been appeared. Here is the design tab. You can see up in the green banner box all the formats in the style types, chart style, it is coming up. Here is the more option. If I click on the more option, the number of options will appear in the dialog box. Suppose I'm clicking here, automatically it will come up in my screen. Okay, with the help of my mouse I can drag from the corner. Here is the corner, and I can increase the size, I can move, or I can decrease the size. Okay, then here is the file menu. Here is the print option. Once I click on it, the dialog box will appear. If I click on OK, automatically my chart will get printed. So this was the thing which I have explained you thoroughly practically in this chapter. Read well and practice it.